Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are in the Metropolitan Park, Taichung. It was situated in the urban area and it is very beautiful and very big. So there is a different portion. So for walking, there is a one pool and also a kite flying here. So let's show you more area. It's the different stones, different of marks on it, like some stars, some lines, and many other things on here. And also you see there is a very beautiful design on the walls. And there, guys, there is some marks, numbers, and it's about the galaxy. Some sun, the nearest star from here, and it's distant, and there is a different boards and marking on it about this location. This is a very beautiful lake they're making. Almost in every park in Taichung they make a lake for boating, but it's also very beautiful, but here is no boating. Guys, in this portion the people are flying a kite. I'll show you in front of light on the sky. It's very beautiful. Guys, this area is for botany, different kind of the trees, and for the research purpose. Many universities has research come here for the research purpose for different kind of plants. So there is a different board of different kind of plants. It's a very big area. Guys, it's very hard to make exercise. A long time I not do an exercise, so it's very difficult. So here this portion is for the exercise. Many young and old people come here for exercise. So this portion is a little bit for athletic. I show you another one that is for just exercise. Guys, you just see behind me, it's a very beautiful flower. I wanted to be cut it, but it's very beautiful, so I not wanted to cut. I want to just show you. It's very beautiful. Although the smell is not good, like a no smell, but the flower is very beautiful. I like it. So let's show you more. Guys, now I'm a little bit tired, so I take some cold drink, take rest, and after that I will show you more. So I'm going to drink cold drinks. After that thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are still not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. And for support for my channel, please share the video. Hope you will enjoy this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.